Hey there, Chad Bonger here for Ohio University Libraries. This is just a quick video tip. I had a student reach out looking for the general attitudes about the environment of 40 to 60-year-olds. Simmons Oneview is probably the best place to look for this information. And to do that, I'm going to do a crosstab here. And first of all, we're going to look for age under lifestyle demographics. And there's the demographics, personal information here. And here we have age. Now, if you look at this list here, there's no like 40 to 60-year-old list, right? So what we can do is we can either say, hey, we're happy with 45 to 54-year-olds and drag that over to our columns, or we could go down here and say, let's look at people who are 40 to 59. I'm going to hold the shift key down and drag that down here and create a custom variable. And because you can't be more than one age at a time, we're going to OR those. And we'll just call this 40 to 60-year-olds, right? And we're going to move that to our columns. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to look under lifestyle statements. And there's probably more than one place to look for this information here, but we're going to look for attitudes about the environment. And here's stuff that agree a lot. And so here's stuff like, I am more likely to purchase a product from a company that's environmental friendly. All right. Companies should help consumers. You know, we'll just look at a few of these things, kind of show you what we have. Eco-friendly products are higher quality products. We'll just grab that over there. So there's a ton of different things you can choose from in there. And once you're satisfied with your list, you just run your crosstab. And this will give us information. So we have this is what the total population thinks. So of the total population, 21.4% of them are more likely to buy a product from an environmentally friendly company. 40s and 60-year-olds, not much change there, 21.4%. So not a huge amount of difference there. But if you go this way and say, of the people who say they would like to buy a product from an environmentally friendly company, 34% of those people who said that in the survey are this age. So that's how you could read that to look at the story differently based on the perspective of the data. So hopefully that helps you with this research.